Hello everyone, welcome to Hectic Coder. Today we will show you some of the best apps for programmers. Starting with our first app, we have Habitica. Habitica is a game to help you improve real-life habits. It gamifies your life by giving you in-game rewards for your real-life tasks. Habitica is all about accountability and responsibility. Completing your real-life tasks means you can tick off your Habitica tasks. These are your once-off targets, to-dos, those routine items that must be completed each day, dailies, and the habits that you are trying to do more of or stop doing. So Habitica is a game that whenever you finish your tasks in time, your character levels up, and when you don't finish your tasks in time, the character loses health.
Out. Players immediately gain experience points to level up upon completing dailies, to-dos, and positive habits. When the experience bar is filled, it will be reset and you'll gain a level. If a player does not meet their goals, they will lose health, and this can also have negative effects on the players around you. If your health drops too low, you'll be...
Coming second on our list, Flux fixes this. It makes the color of your computer's display adapt to the time of day, warm at night, and like sunlight during the day. It's even possible that you're staying up too late because of your computer. You could use Flux because it makes you sleep better, or you could just use it just because it makes your computer look better. This app allows you to reduce the screen brightness to not damage your eyes. The third awesome developer app is CodeHub. Is a place to code, share, and learn from one another. It aims to support anyone with an interest in programming and web development in advancing their skills and knowledge. Whether you are an experienced developer or just learning to code, interested in design or programming, you are more than welcome. Character Map Out. Coming in the fourth place, we have Character Map Out. Character Map Out is a straightforward app. It allows you to select a character in any font and copy and paste it to insert it into a document. You can also copy the XAML code or fonticon code, or save a character as a PNG file. Our last app in this list is GitHub. Is a subsidiary of Microsoft which provides hosting for software development and version control using Git. It offers the distributed version control and source code management functionality of Git, plus its own features. That's all for this video. See you on the next one.